Hello friends, I welcome you all in this session. The subject for this session is Modern Management Practices. The paper is for BCom Part 3, Semester 5. In this paper, we are going to study the Unit 3, Customer Relationship Management and Supply Chain Management. There are two parts in this Unit 3. A part is Customer Relationship Management, that is CRM. In this, we have to study the concept, importance, elements, process and ECRM. The B part is Supply Chain Management, SCM. Concept, importance, components, processes, benefits of supply chain management. These are the components we have to study. First of all, we have to understand what is customer relationship management. Customer relationship management is one of the many different approaches that allow for a company to manage and analyze its own interactions with its past, current and potential customers. It uses data analysis about customers' history with a company to improve business relationship with customers, specifically focusing on customer retention and ultimately driving sales growth. It is nothing but the art of managing the organization's relationship with the customers and prospective clients refer to customer relationship management. Customer relationship management includes various strategies and techniques to maintain healthy relationship with the organization's existing as well as potential customers. Organizations must ensure customers are satisfied with their product and services for higher customer retention. It is said that one satisfied customer brings 10 new customers with him, whereas one dissatisfied customer takes away 10 customers along with him. So, it is very important for the organization to maintain and develop the relationship with the customers, and to maintain that relationship the management is very essential. In simple words, customer relationship management refers to the study of needs and expectations of the customers and providing them right solutions. In the words of Philip Kotler and others, CRM is the process of managing detailed information about the individual customers and carefully managing all customers' touch points to maximize customers' loyalty. In this definition, the Kotler said that CRM is a process. It is a process of managing detailed information about the individual customers. It means that in customer relationship management, the detailed information about customers, detailed means the likes, dislikes, wants, needs, income, all these are all such information, and carefully managing all customers touch points to maximize customer loyalty. Whatever the data collected about the customer is managed carefully to increase the customer loyalty, that is called as customer relationship management. It means that the focus of customer relationship management is collecting the information about the customers and using that data to increase the customer loyalty and to increase the customer satisfaction as well as to retain the customers in the organization. In the words of O.C. Farrell and others, customer retention management is holistic process of identifying, attracting, differentiating and retaining customers, which involves providing better product and services, integrating a firm's entire supply chain to create customer value at every step through increased benefit or lowered cost or both. The definition focuses on identifying the customers, attracting the customers, differentiating the customers, and retaining the customers. For that purpose, the business organization should try to increase the benefits for the customers, create value for the customers by understanding the customers, and provide better products and services at lower cost so that the company can develop and maintain the relationship with the customers. The image shows the process of customer relationship management. It shows the business organization collects customer history, analyzes it, and keeps and manages customer database to retain the customers. Phone, email, fax, mails, web visit, etc. multi-channels were used for communication with customers. The ultimate aim of this process is customer satisfaction and customer retention. It is said that acquiring new customers is easier than retaining customers. CRM is an approach to retain the customers. Let me discuss the importance of CRM. The first point of importance is that CRM helps the organization to identify customer needs and refocus its strategy to service better. The second point is it helps in discovering the customer and understanding him. Third point is identify untapped business potential. The fourth point is identify strong and weak points of supplier. Then it provides feedback to the supplier on his total operation. The next point is CRM provides feedback and new information on competitors. The seventh point is action plan to make organization customer centric. The next point is organization can get details of the customer. Then it is easy for the organization to group the customers, that is grouping of a customer. The next ninth point is acquiring new customers. Next one is cost effective. Then next one is customer satisfaction, and last one is customer loyalty. In this way, we have discussed the importance of CRM to the business organization.